Hey everyone, today is Monday 1:45 a.m. It's very late at night, or I can say it's early in the morning. I'm just making a video. The reason is the market has already moved. At 6 o'clock, the S&P E-mini future opens, and the title of this video is "Money Never Sleeps." Right? If you look at this, a lot of major moves has happened in the pre-market or aftermarket sessions, and you can see that by looking at the volume. The high volume part is when the market is in session. The low volume part, which is the majority of the market, actually majority of the action happens before the actual market or after the actual market. Nowadays, I think the actual market barely does anything significant, in my opinion. What's the greatest opportunity actually happens usually before the market opens. That's why the money never sleeps. Look at this. Look at this one. For example, this one happened. This bottom happened on the June 15th, 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, that was the best time to enter the market. That was low as a low, but most people here in North America are probably sleeping. Money never sleeps. The best traders in the world are trading, 24/7, or they are probably. I know several traders who are really dedicated to this craft. They are trading non-stop. They probably have a phone, or they probably have an alert on the price, and if the price falls to a certain level, they get a call from their phone, or they get a alarm from their phone, which wakes them up. That's kind of extreme scenario. I don't trade like this. I think that's just disrupting to my lifestyle. Of course, I could have caught this bottom, but I entered, on the Friday, right, at the low, which is good enough. Which is maybe I lost like 50 points or so, but I'm happy. I entered most of my position. I think that price was good, was low risk, and it turns out to be great. I'm still holding that position, so my cost is around this level. So today the market opened much lower in the futures market at 6 o'clock p.m. on Sunday, where most people probably stay at home watching TV, or driving around, enjoy the afternoon drinking coffee. But that's when the actual traders are already back at work. This was a very good entry point, in my opinion. But I think tomorrow what's going to happen is, if you did not trade the overnight market, like today, the market start consolidating at the slightly higher than the close than from the Friday, actually. So we might be opening a bit higher tomorrow morning, but I think that's going to be potentially a sell at the open. So I think at the open, what's going to happen is that every time I think the overnight market, when they push the price up, because it's very easy, the volume is low, the market is very thin, and they push the price up, what usually happens is that they're going to dump on the market at the very open. That's when the most retail traders are trading at the open, right? Because a lot of retail traders, they don't have access to the pre-market or after hours. Most brokers don't allow that. Some of the brokers do, but a lot of brokers don't. They have a very limited exposure to the pre-market after hours. So, most retail traders don't even have the access to E-mini futures. Okay, and they simply have to be the price taker when the market opens. So if you're the retail trader, you're the price taker. So these guys would jacket the price to whatever level they want. Usually when they jacket the price higher at the open, that's a dump on the retail traders. So at the open, I'm expecting a move like this, and I suspect that this price is going to form a double bottom. So I still have my orders. I basically move my orders here to this level, to the 30.39 level. So tomorrow morning, when the price comes back down to 39.39 level, I believe that would be a nice double bottom for the price action, and my order is going to be filled. So I still have that 20% I've been talking about for the last several videos. On that Friday, on June 14th, June 14th Friday, sorry, June 12th Friday, I only entered 80% of my positions, and I still have 20% because the market took off without me, so I still have the 20% left to enter, and I just raised my buy limit to here. So hopefully the market is going to have a wash in the morning when the market opens. My order gets filled, then it takes off. So I'm expecting something like this, and the market is just going to take off for the next couple of days. I think very likely we are going to reach a new high very soon by the end of this month. That is very likely, very likely. I would say almost certain that we're going to reach a new high by the end of this month. It's very obvious to me. But sometimes the market does whatever it needs to do, and we have to be careful. Okay, and that's everything. Thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a great trading session tomorrow, and enjoy your rest of the week. Talk to you next time.